Like, comment and subscribe our channel.
In 1930, amidst British colonial rule, a peaceful protest ignited the flames of freedom across India. Mahatma Gandhi, the champion of nonviolence, led the Salt Satyagraha, also known as the Salt March, to challenge an unjust tax imposed by the British Raj. For 24 days, Gandhi and his followers walked over 240 miles from Sabarmati Ashram to the coastal village of Dandi, symbolizing the journey towards freedom. At Dandi, Gandhi performed a simple yet powerful act, picking up a handful of natural salt from the sea, defying British salt laws and inspiring millions to join the movement. The Salt Satyagraha sparked a wave of civil disobedience across India, uniting people of all backgrounds in the fight for independence. Despite facing arrests and persecution, the spirit of resistance remained unbroken. The Salt Satyagraha demonstrated the power of nonviolent protest and paved the way for India's eventual independence in 1947. Finally, the Salt Satyagraha teaches us unity in diversity. The Salt Satyagraha brought together people from diverse backgrounds and communities, united in their struggle against colonial rule. It emphasized the importance of unity and solidarity in achieving common goals, regardless of differences in religion, caste, or creed.